Okay, we're going to review interest, and we have two different kinds of interest. Some variables that you're going to see when you are using the interest formula. I'm writing these down here. P, remember, stands for the principal. Okay, remember that the principal is the starting amount. It's what you begin with, how much your loan is, how much you deposit but it's the starting amount. The R, remember, stands for rate, and you must convert the rate to a decimal. Okay, and the way we can convert it to a decimal very easily is by dividing it by 100. Let me give you an example. 34%. Okay, percents are out of 100, so you can just simply do 34 divided by 100. If you also remember the Dr. Pepper rule, where you can just move the decimal 2 places, that works as well. But either way that you choose to do it, you should get 0.34. T, remember, stands for time. Time must be in years. Now remember, we have two different kinds of interest. We have simple interest, and the formula, when we use it, it solves for the interest. Our formula for simple interest, remember, is I equals PRT. And I'm going to look at your formula chart, and I just want you to see that the simple interest formula is right here on your formula chart. Okay? Then we also have what we call compound interest. Compound interest solves for the total balance, the total value of your account. And here is the formula for that. A equals capital P, which stands for principal, times 1 plus R to the T power. Okay, and again, I just wanted to point out, it's right here on your formula chart. Okay. The account total, or the total balance, is represented by the letter A. And it includes both the principal and the interest. It includes the principal and the interest. That's why it's the total balance. For simple interest, to get the total balance, you have to do the principal plus the interest. But you don't have to do that on compound interest. This is only needed for simple interest. Okay, I'll give you a minute to write that down. It's only needed for simple interest. Now let's say for some reason you wanted to find how much you pay each month. Okay? So once you knew the total amount that you owe, you would take the total and divide it by the amount. Let's see, the total amount, divide the total amount by the time in months. Divide it by the number of months. I got confused there. So basically it's the total divided by the number of months. That's a way to think about it. The total divided by the number of months. And so that would tell me how much I owed each month. That's important because that's how we pay our bills sometimes. If we need to convert years to months, okay, then all you have to do is multiply by 12 before dividing. Okay?